Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are officially calendar fall, first week of fall. Last week of September, next week October is coming, cold weather, winter is coming. So I hope you are making the necessary preparations for the wintering for our bees. We have cold temperatures over the night, low 40s, and actually Tuesday night is gonna be like 37, 38. So what we're doing right now is we're removing the rest of the feeders that we have for our hives. So all hives are up to weight and ready. They've been treated for the mites, checked for the queen, like how well she's laying. They all been fed and ready. We don't wrap the hives. We use honey as our material for overwintering. Honey around the cluster. So honey on top, honey on the sides, and honey below the cluster. So what we're doing right now is remove. You can see these hives that have 3 boxes. Actually, the third box is contains the feeder. So this is how we feed. We put extra frame of honey and 2-to-1 sugar syrup, and bees taking it down and taking the honey dome above the clusters. Good number of bees going into winter. We have around 20% of these third boxes with feeders in them. The reason why we have these boxes is because of huge problem with robbing this year. So we have feeders inside so the other bees can't rob these hives, and we also put like pool noodles and reduce the entrances for, that just like few bees can come in and out. These pool noodles work very good for that. Yeah. Really good bees. They're calm, good numbers. Queen is laying good. They're taking all their extra food and they're working on this frame of honey, taking it downstairs above their brood nest. They also have 2 frames of honey on each side, 1 frame of pollen and honey, and then the rest of it's brood. And the bottom box is also full of honey, 9 frames of honey. So their brood is gonna be in the middle of these 2 boxes with food on all sides. Nice bees. So another thing that I do now is, because of cold nights, bees are clustering, so it's gonna be 30 plus, really cold nights. So the mice are starting to explore around the entrance, and they're gonna try to move in the hive. So what I do, I use this 1/2-inch hardware mesh and cut it to the size of my entrance, because I have different entrances. Some of them are smaller and some of them are regular. So I cut the size of the entrance and bend it like that and just slide it into the hive. You can use like half inch or quarter inch or something like that. Another thing that I'm gonna be doing is I'm running these reflecting tape, and I have a shim here if I need it. If I need to feed the hive later on, I'll remove this and then just feed under the lid. And what I do is to prevent condensation of this, I run this pink insulation board on top of this cover, and then I do regular metal, cover for the hives. So this pretty much is gonna be my wintering configuration. So I'm just gonna have this entrance here with the mouse guard, and I don't run upper entrances. I have this reflecting shim and then insulation on top of the hive. I don't wrap. So that's how I do it. They also have entrances on the side to run like if the hive's not tilted, so it can water can go out. Okay, so let's talk about changes, like slight changes on our channel. As all of you know, I'm hands-on beekeeper. Like, I like to show you exactly how I do stuff throughout the seasons, and my videos are exactly I'm making them to help beginners and also help more advanced beekeepers, and just to show them my perspective. It doesn't mean I'm doing things right, and I know I have still a lot to learn and I don't know everything, but just take something from one beekeeper, take other thing from other beekeeper, and you create your own way of doing things. And it's nice to see and compare to somebody. Are you doing the same thing, or is it different, or something like that? So as far as the changes, we're gonna add to this channel, because this is a farm and homestead. Instead of winter, winter's coming, everything is cooling down, I'm not going to be able to do hands-on inspections and open my hives and stuff. So instead of sitting in front of a computer, because I'm not a good talker or speaker, and I'm not a YouTuber, I'm not gonna sweet talk and just talk to you about some stuff inside and in front of the computer. What we're gonna do is do some other activities like that we do here in the farm, like cooking, homesteading, even some outdoor activities that we do, some gardening. So I'm gonna have playlists for all that, so if you like only beekeeping, you can watch just beekeeping videos. If you wanna do like only cooking or gardening, you can choose specific playlist for that. So it'll be interesting. So I hope you guys are gonna like that, those changes, and you're gonna continue supporting us. We are almost at 500 subscribers. Thank you very much. I appreciate every one of you, and thank you for subscribing and to give us continuous support and to bear with me. I understand that I'm not sometimes you can't understand very well what I'm saying, but I'm trying my best. So thank you so much for your support.